Habayekran bikin pathai kubor u Presiden ka BJP Meghalaya u Rickman G. Momin ulitho bak Executive Committee ke Bethamai ke dan hendrungut ki Vice President ki Bakentup yau Bernard Marak Kraubok Lang Basayomoj Dipul Armarak Gagan Jane bat Ria Sangma balatung ru arngut ki General Secretary kata Dr. Ivaris Mersing bat uba Lakon Biam. Nalor kani latung ru iki hendrungut ki Secretary ki Bakentup yai Hakabyang Lengdo Bernadette Lengdo Adam Kit Sangma, Brivia Thaba, Premananda Coach bat Bipen Pradhan. Dathungru ya Usarwan Junjunwala kum Treasurer, Arundhati Paul kum ka Office Secretary, Kong Sukhi Pariat kum ka President, ka Mahila Morcha bat kiwe-kiwe. Hakabayday bat ka election MP Shakalok Sabha Urakman Jimomin Ugloong bagi ladon katuk ani ke balapan tiket banekon ki election MP Natura bat Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. Nrekan chong yikinong yalam ki bah kli ban Shimegarai. Uloong bagi BJP kan pediang sobha ladon kino-kino ki kentai ki bapan tiket banekon ki election MP bat kan long ka babha shibo ni keseng BJP. Ada kala ban penyeng daki kentai banekon ki election namar dangshan na pentrekam ya kejing bah balai pulai nak sispa na kebenta ki kentai.
So these are the office bearer which has been approved by the central office. Yet that as a BJP, it's good if we can also put a woman candidate because our recently that 32% of women reservation has been for this one election purpose for the party. We have already prepared because our members are still there. Only the office bearer has been changed. A president has been changed. That's all. All mandals are still exist. Of a good level, all exist. So we don't have to worry much about it. Right now there is some candidates are there. So I wouldn't be able to name it right now.
U Presiden ke BJP Meghalaya Uloong Ru bakaseng kalong kebalakloi ban pediang sobha lada Menteri Rangba Barim Gejala u Dr. Mukul M Sangma uwan ban penyaso ono bat ke BJP. Uloong Ru bu empat ujung tip satya halor kejinge kendo bag kejinge keren hapdeng u Dr. Mukul M Sangma bat kinong elam jong ke BJP. Bat kamdon satya kanu kejing yu ban le keren bu Dr. Mukul M Sangma. Bat kan long kebas ngutanat bahala da u Dr. Mukul M Sangma uwan penyaso ono bat ke BJP.
Why not? Everyone is open. Everyone will be open to join the party. It will be a great pleasure if he come and join the party.